Welcome to my channel. I have to change the name soon and call it MG with Path. We don't know. Tips of the day number 2 is I'll call it quick departure, meaning that sometimes you don't want to wait until all the diagnostic is going through the system, and you wanna depart with one go. So I'll show you how I do it. So originally, when you start the car, push the brake, press the start button. You have to wait until everything is gone. You put on drive and you depart. That's the first way of doing it. That's the normal way. Well, on the second way, actually, to depart quicker, the only thing you have to think of is to release that brake fast enough so that you can drive without having to go through the whole diagnostic. So the way I did it when I wanna go quick, again, you jump in the car, put the brake pedal, push on start, turn to drive. You see that it doesn't engage. Press park, turn to drive, and you're ready to go. So it's quite quick. And now you heard the first blonk. That means the car was ready, but I was already driving before the car was ready. So that's the tip of the day. I don't know if it's of any help, but we'll see you on the next tip. Bye bye.